Morning, guys. We're gonna work on a few prune items today, but check out this car that's in front of the house. That's actually the neighbor's house, but is that not a cool car or what? That's a good way to start out the morning when you get to look at one of those first thing. Only thing better would be if they came out and fired it up, but I don't see that happening. So here's what we got going on today. We are set up here between the houses, and we have this huge American Elm that stretches way up over both of the roofs, and it's up by their chimney. It's got a little bit of dead in it, and we need to get away from the roof, so that's what we're going to do. All of that's made super easy by the Haulotte 5533A lift. All we have to do is come in here, turn the key on, and we're going to push auto level, extend. Everything's going to go down. It's ready to rock and roll. All right, let's go up and check out this tree. Go right over here and get some of that dead over there. That's all of our lower boom right there. Or probably approximately 30 foot. I'm not all the way down with my upper boom, but we'll slide out the upper extension now. This boom is really nice to use because it has so many different motions that it makes. When you have a bucket truck, all you have is basically the folding and unfolding of the booms. And with this, you have a jib on the end that can go up and down, separate from the rest of the boom. You have the main boom that can go up and down. You've got the upper boom that can go up and down. So you have a lot of positioning options that you might not have with just a standard bucket truck. I do like this rig for that reason. The other thing that pairs very nicely with this boom is the Husqvarna T540i, this thing, and I've got the Panther bar on it. Picked that up from August, monkeybeaver.com. Anyway, it's super slick. You don't have to pull start a saw 100 times a day. You got a button right there. Boom, it's ready to rock and roll. So much easier on your shoulder than ripping a saw 1,000 times a day. I've also taken and I've put hooks to where I can just quickly hook my saw here. Got one on that side, and I've also got one over on this side. I got those off Amazon. They're Joe's racing hooks. They're actually made for helmets in race cars. Made to fit on the tubing, but they seem to work really slick. So I believe these were 1.5 inches. I can't remember, it was either 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches, but just take a measurement of your top rail and you'll figure out what you need. So with this jib right here, I can drop down without moving that upper boom at all. So when you start getting into some of the trunk stuff over there, you can go underneath something where you have the boom out like this, and then you can come up on the back side of it and you can come right up like that. That's a pretty handy feature. All right, now we've got to go over here and we want to get that off the chimney, away from there. Let's go get that done.